What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, we back at it, man, and you guys wasted no time kicking butt and taking names today. I just want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing based off the daily teachings, man. I just want to say major salute, guys. Listen, we had a crazy day in the market today. I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, listen, man. Off top, the market was on its way to falling until the Bank of England, or otherwise known as the BOE, they came in today, guys, buying bonds, turned the money printer back on, and that saved a overall crash. We got everything we wanted. We got Apple finally to fall, and then the rest of the market was going to come with it, guys. And this is how crashes occur when you guys are waiting for it. But you always have to prepare for the unforeseen. And the unforeseen was the Bank of England coming through out of nowhere and then propping the whole market back up. And that sent all the stocks, the SPY, everything back to the upside. Okay, and so we're going to talk about that today, guys. The purchases are designed to restore orderly market conditions. Long story short, guys, they're not going to let their market fall. That's typically how the US market, our market, was going up in 2020. We were giving out stimulus checks, we were pumping money into the market that was making all the stocks go up, and now they're taking it out. Okay, you got QE, quantitative easing, and then you have quantitative tightening, and that's what we're going through right now. Okay, but the Bank of England said no, we're pumping ours up. All right, guys, we have GDP on tomorrow. We got a GDP update. Okay, this is the metric used to determine whether or not we're in a recession or not. They don't let us say it. It has to come from this body right here. Okay, so this update may help solve a mystery on if a US recession has already started. This is going to come out tomorrow at 8:30. So the markets is ready to move one way or the other. Based on how this comes out, guys, can determine a whole hell of a lot. Okay, so just be ready, just be prepared. Okay, if this comes out and it's not in favor of the market looking a certain kind of way, this can go down. Okay, and it can, if it come out and if things look better than expected, the market can continue like it did today and go up. And that's why I want to talk to you guys about some plays for tomorrow. We take it one day at a time, one play at a time. And so the game I'm gonna give you is for the next 2 days. Don't do anything longer than the next 2 days if you guys want to make some money. Okay, before we dive into that though, before we cover our plays on the day, really quickly, I want to peek at the VIX because I want to teach you guys something. Okay, do you see the VIX? It currently is sitting at $30.18. It was down 7% on the day. If the VIX goes down, your stocks will go up. Go look at what the SPY did today. Go look at what the NASDAQ or the QQQs did today. Okay, so look, you can see that was a line going straight down. So if it's sitting high at 34 and it start going down, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, your stocks will go up. Okay, that's the correlation I want you guys to see. Okay, when this goes up, when it's ticking up, your stocks will come down. But when this goes down, your stocks will go up. Know the correlation. Also, although I'm not showing it, guys, the DXY, because of Bank of England, that knocked the DXY down today, and that plus the VIX going down made stocks go up. Okay, is this rally real? It remains to be seen. That's why I want to talk about these next two things coming up. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, check it out. SPY, ticker symbol SPY, sitting at 369.85 at the time of this recording. But check this out, guys. It had made it all the way to 372 on today. Okay, so it is definitely trying to recapture 373. That's a key level. That's also a gap fill. All right, and then it closed around 370, so it held that 370 support level. So remember, the range was 370 to 360. We were looking to see on the downside, if it breaks 360, would it go to 358? Okay, the downside was way down here, 361. We had 360, and then it goes all the way to 370. Okay, guys. Okay, in this particular case, it overshot because of the VIX went down, the DXY went down, and the Bank of England came through turn the money printer back on, okay, buying bonds back, okay. Thus was the catalyst to make these things go up, okay. Is it legit though, is what you have to ask yourself. So check this out, guys. That's a $10 range that you can make a killing on. But listen to this, for those that want to make some money tomorrow and Friday, okay, we got the GDP. That's going to be a catalyst that we got to look out for, okay. But listen to this, guys. Based on what happens with that, if the market continues to go up, look for a gap fill. Look for this to potentially hit 373 to the upside tomorrow. So it wants to piggyback off of this. It pulled back to get some momentum to back to 370, and it wants to bounce back up to 373 potentially on tomorrow. Look out for that, okay. If we go down, then I want you guys to look for this 366 level right here for it to come back to. And if it don't hold this level, then guys, it's going to come back to that 363 level. All right. And so you got some ranges in both directions because you have those catalysts. Okay, you got the catalyst of the GDP coming out at 8:30, so they planted it perfectly 30 minutes before the market open. They want to have that news shake up the market. So I need you guys to be in your A game, get in the Discord so that you can see the early morning briefing and guidance I'm gonna give on closer to real time what we need to be doing. Okay, guys, and then up next we got Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Look at this, guys, sitting at 149.51. They are doing everything in there. Remember I taught you guys about window dressing yesterday? They're doing everything they can to keep this at or around 150. This play was all the way down to $45 on today, okay. And so sitting down here at $45, we had a crazy report come out talking about the slowing of sales. All right, but then this one went all the way, made a comeback, and went all the way back up to 150 to close out the day, okay. And so again, understand what's going on. We need to see it break 150 though, not just this little time. We need to see something more substantial than this, okay. This was some negative news that had it way down here at 145 this morning, 144, but it bounced back. Everybody stepped in, bought it all the way back up, okay. So I need you guys to keep your eye out on Apple, see if it can get back to 151, 152 to the upside, even 153 depending on how the day go. But if not, you now seen 147, you now seen 145, okay. Look for those two levels, even not in the short term, but Friday or Monday if it goes down more, okay. Listen, guys, I want you to take advantage of this market. I want you guys to do what you can to be making money in these conditions, okay. But you have to be surgical, you have to be patient. That's really truly what it comes down to, okay. These plays will give you opportunity, but you got to make sure that you are understanding the levels, understanding the trading range, aka the trading channel in which it is in, okay. For Apple right now, 153 to 150 is where it wants to play at. This little report took it down a little further today, but nevertheless it already regained everything it lost and only closed down 1% on the day when it was really down over 4% on the day around 9:30 this morning, okay. And so guys, understand that, but use it to your advantage. Remember, at support, when something finally falls to those levels we talk about, that support, that's a bottom, it typically bounces. It bounces off 145 and bounces all the way back up to 150, okay. When it hit resistance, okay, resistance ain't 150. This is support still, okay, but resistance is 153. So around that 152 153 level, you need to see what it do, and if it don't break through, you buy a put, and it's going to come back down to this 150 level, okay. And now you see it can finally fall a little further if they let it. 147, you got 146, and then you got 145, okay. They won't let nothing happen in a straight line, so you have to be patient, you have to have a game plan, and you have to be surgical to dominate this game, okay. Listen, guys, I hope that was helpful, man. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. We got a crazy day in the market on tomorrow, so please bring your A game. Take advantage if you can, and listen, if you can't, take mental reps for me. Okay, take some mental reps for me. Wait for setups you like in the chart. Wait for opportunities that are advantageous to you being successful. Don't just jump in for the sake of jumping in. Okay, this game is about risk management and being patient. All right, we will do our thing regardless. We will walk alongside each other regardless. Understand it's a marathon, not a sprint, guys. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.